Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Crossovers. And SUVs are more popular now than ever before, which can make buying a used model difficult. Inexpensive used SUVs from recent years still carry a premium over typical used cars despite having more miles and often expired warranties. Careful shopping and critical test drives come in handy in this situation, as does a strict budget. In this video, we are talking about 7 best used SUV under 10K, but before we get into the video, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Number 7, 2012 Toyota Venza. 7 to 2012 Toyota Venza. The Toyota Venza crossover was the automaker's answer to the Nissan Murano, with a wagon-like profile, 5-passenger seating, and a large cargo hold. It shares platforms and components with the Toyota Camry and can likewise be found with either a 4-cylinder engine or a smoother and more powerful V6. Discontinued after the 2015 model year, the Venza earns a perfect score for reliability from Consumer Reports. Number 6, 2012 Toyota RAV4. 6 to 2012 Toyota RAV4, consistently one of the top sellers among all vehicles. The compact Toyota RAV4 crossover SUV from this era is one of the rare vehicles to come with a side opening door at the back instead of a horizontal liftgate. It offered a choice of a 4-cylinder engine or, rare for this size class, a smooth and quick V6. It gets top marks for durability. The interior is refreshingly roomy, and there's plenty of cargo room behind the seats. Number 5, 5 to 2010 Toyota Highlander. 2010 Toyota Highlander, long a family favorite, the roomy and comfortable midsize Toyota Highlander crossover SUV is mechanically related to the Camry sedan and gets Consumer Reports' highest marks for long-term durability. It's not cheap in the resale market, however, and its third-row seat is short on legroom. You'll find used Highlanders equipped with either a 4-cylinder or V6 engine, with the latter being the smoothest choice. A hybrid version was also offered with improved fuel economy. Number 4, 2013 Subaru Forester. 4 to 2013 Subaru Forester. The compact Subaru Forester may be plain-looking, but it does the job with authority. It is the only model represented here that came standard with all-wheel drive for added fall weather traction. It delivers amenable road manners and affords a roomy interior with straightforward controls. You'll find Foresters from this era fitted with either a naturally aspirated or turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. Number 3, 3 to 2013 Nissan Rogue. 2013 Nissan Rogue. The compact Nissan Rogue is the brand's top seller, and used models are reasonably plentiful in the marketplace. Its 4-cylinder engine works well with an otherwise whiny gearless, continuously variable transmission to get the vehicle up to speed and maintain decent fuel economy. It's not especially flashy or sporty, but it's comfortable and is easy to drive. Number 2, 2 to 2014 Nissan Murano. 2014 Nissan Murano. The midsize Nissan Murano is a 5-passenger crossover SUV that's roomy, comfortable, and is graded above average in reliability. It gets good power from its V6 engine, and this generation handles rather well, with a comfortable ride. An odd-looking 2-door cross cabriolet convertible version debuted for 2012 and only lasted until 2014. Number 1, 2014 Mazda CX. 5 1 to 2014 Mazda CX-5, earning great marks for reliability. The compact Mazda CX-5 is also one of the most fun to drive small crossovers on the market, with precise handling that belies its practical nature. The interior is nicely finished with top-quality materials that give it a luxury car look and feel. That's all there is for today. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please leave us with your valuable feedback. If you found this video interesting, stay tuned to our channel till the next video. And until then, see you soon.